Children who would usually get guaranteed meals through their schools are going hungry as families struggle to afford groceries during the lockdown. The charity KidsCan is rushing to get thousands of food parcels to whānau whose teachers say they were already doing it tough before COVID-19 hit. Many teachers fear those kids aren't getting enough to eat and say their wellbeing should take priority over their daily classes right now. Our cameraman Nick Monro and reporter Nita Blake-Persen filed this report.
When schools wrapped up nearly 2 weeks ago, many teachers knew it wouldn't just be kids learning that would take a hit.
We had just had a delivery of fruit, so we literally lined them up and held their shirts out and threw all the different fruit in their shirts and whacked them in their bags. And, I kind of did, as you do, a little bit of a car park poll on the way out. And I had some whānau telling me that they'd have 7 or 8 kids with them at this point. And that they would go into lockdown with lots of kids in their homes.
The principal of Te Aho School in Wairoa, Zach Anderson, says the lockdown is creating huge pressure. A
lot of our whānau are on benefit, a lot of our whānau are on casual work, a lot of our whānau are now unemployed. So not only is lockdown kind of difficult for whatever reasons in terms of just sharing households, it's financially difficult, and the pressures of trying to feed kids, especially if you've got lots of them, will be huge.
The kids at Te Aho School are usually guaranteed a boost to their daily meals.
And what we're concerned about, because it's the unknown, we don't actually know what's happening now in homes, whether they are getting a decent breakfast. So it is a worry.
KidsCan usually feeds children at nearly 800 schools and 55 early childhood centres. Founder and CEO Julie Chapman says with those now closed, they've launched an urgent appeal to help those doing it tough.
We know that many of the children that we support are now living in situations where they and their families are facing going hungry. So what we have done is worked out a way that we can actually get over 3,000 packages of food to those children and their families so that they do have something to eat during the lockdown period.
This warehouse is absolutely packed to the rafters with food, which volunteers and staff here are working flat tack to get to kids in need. At the moment, they're churning through about 750 food packages a day, and each one of those consists of 4 boxes, weighing 40 kilograms in total. And the idea is that it will feed one child and a family of up to 5 for around 2 weeks.
The boxes are full of a range of items. So we have things like pasta sauce and pasta. We have peanut butter. We have bread. We have rice. We have even, to brighten up Easter, some Easter eggs.
With many food banks in urban areas experiencing massive demand, the KidsCan parcels are heading to more isolated areas like Te Aho School. The government's Free Food in Schools program, which rolled out to 30 schools this year, has been put on hold during the lockdown. The Education Ministry says support is still available for families, with the Civil Defence Agency in charge of the regional multi-agency approach. For Checkpoint, Nita Blake-Persen.